to choose good wheel spacer for Dodge. High-quality wheel spacer can offer numerous benefits, including improved handling, enhanced appearance, and the ability to fit larger tires. When selecting wheel spacers, it's important to consider several factors. First, material quality. Opt for wheel spacers made from high-strength, durable aluminum alloy material. This material ensures the spacers are lightweight yet strong enough to withstand the pressures of daily driving. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance, a significant advantage for track day enthusiasts. Second, thickness. Choosing the right thickness will depend on your vehicle's requirements and the look you are aiming for. Thinker spacers push the wheels out further, offering a more aggressive stance and better cornering performance due to the wider track. Third, bolt pattern and hub-centric design. Ensure the wheel spacer match your vehicle bolt patterns for a proper fit. Hub-centric spacers, which align perfectly with the center bolt of the vehicle hub. They reduce vibration and ensure the weight of the vehicle is carried by the hub rather than the bolts, offering a smoother ride. Fourth, quality brand and warranty. Invest in wheel spacers from reputable brands that offer warranties. This ensures you are getting a product that has been tested for safety and durability. A good warranty also provides peace of mind, knowing that you are covered in case of defects. Choosing the right wheel spacer involves careful consideration of material quality, thickness, compatibility with your vehicle, and the benefits of features like spacer plates. High-quality wheel spacer can improve the driving experience by enhancing handling, stability, and appearance.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this wheel spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.